Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trade. I apologise for being a couple of minutes late this morning. Okay, it's off to a good start. Let's see where we are right now. You can see the stocks are up at the moment, 0.31%. Green, we were betting on a green day last night, and we were just 0.5% away, but we are up again today. I made $85 last night on Mullen, and I put that into dividend stocks this morning, so that was quite good. Quick trade up, so I'm very, very pleased with that. All right, let's get straight into the trades and see where we are right now. Let's bring in the main trading screen. As you can see, we're up so far. Who is here pre-show? Pre-show, top fans was Dexter Sickles was first, then Bill, then Mike, and then Paul, Nudget Budget, Hamish, Dave Mottram are all coming into the live show. Good stuff. Wonderful to have you here. All right, if it's your very first time, click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. How you doing, Dave, today? How are you, mate? Nudget Budget, move it. Here he is, Alex. Lovely to have you here. How is life today for you, wherever you are? You in Cornwall today? Lovely to have you here. Hamish, hopefully there's some buying opportunities today. Warren Buffett often said he preferred the red days. There's opportunity to do stuff, opportunity to get in, buy stuff, add to your positions. Oh, that looks like Mike is over there on Twitch. Fantastic. Yes, he is. Mike's over there on Twitch. Thank you, Mike. We've got 31 followers now. If you've not yet followed me on Twitch, I need to open a second tab. Basically, what we need is to get to 50 followers. We have 31, but also we need to have an average of 3 people a stream watching the show. Do not abandon YouTube for Twitch, but if you have a second browser, great. Here is my Twitch account. We're currently at 1.4 people per show. We haven't yet got enough people yet to get the affiliate approval, but there you go. There's my Twitch link if you fancy that. All right, let's have a look. Good morning, Dave, he said. Thank you, Dave. Lovely to have you here. All right, let's go through the stocks right now. We've got Vanguard S&P is up 0.42. Virgin Galactic is up 0.14. Tesla is up 0.01, flat at the moment. Rivian up 1% so far. Lucid is up 0.79. Apple is up 1.69. That was Bill. I'm here. Bill is over on Twitch now. Thank you very much indeed to you guys. Great. Thank you for that. Very much indeed. What are your plans for the day investment trade-wise? You still trying not to trade today? I'm trying not... Oops, that's a bit weird. Too many. What's going on there? I'm trying not to do day trades, but if an opportunity presents itself, I still will, because it would be the right thing to do, right? But I'm trying not to. But I have bought some. I have bought some dividend stocks this morning. I've done that. I can show you which ones I've just bought actually. Good question. So let me go over to here, and I'll bring in what I've just bought this morning. So what I bought this morning is I bought the Vanguard FTSE All World X US ETF this morning. Just a little bit down, very slightly, 0.38 as you can see there. They are down 0.38. Just have 2 shares there at the minute. Also, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. I have 1.1 share there, just down 0.58. I bought that because once this growth picks up speed, I want some money in my dividend ETFs. I'm down 6% on that one at the moment. That was down like 20%, so I've improved on that one. Invesco Wilderhill. I'm selling this one this morning. I'm selling it when the market opens. Their dividend their yield is negative now, so I don't like it. I'm moving out of that one, so I'm selling that one this morning. I'm flat at the moment. I'm down $4. But in fact, what I'll do is I will cancel that order, and I will do it manually. Let's see if we can turn that, because we are getting a green day today. Let's see if we can turn that into a profit today. There we go. Let's see if we can turn that into a profit before I sell it. Okay, so I'll keep that one open there. Global X Super Dividend, I've bought into that this morning. I've got 10 shares of it now, down 1.82. Again, these are all adding to positions. I was already down in these, and sort of down 15-20%, waiting for the bottom for 3 months now. I've not invested in these. I sold them out, but now I'm buying back. So, getting ready for these. Global X Super Dividend, US ETF, another one. I've got 1.75 shares. I'm up 3% there. Good. They pay really good dividends, these do. Invesco QQQ, we all know about that one, right? I'm up today. I'm up 6% now. I've only got $10 in that one. I'm waiting for a dip so I can buy whole shares and get into that one. But there we go. And now we're back to the main shares. So I want to keep this one on hand, if I may. All right. So there we go. I'll come back to that one in a minute and see if I can actually trade it for a profit. But there you go. We'll be off at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Off to Cornwall. Lovely stuff. Nudge it. Twitch. I'm here. Good morning. Oh, yes. Look, we got 4 viewers. First time chat. Mr. Blue, 68. Shall we put Mr. Blue on the screen? Let's make Mr. Blue. You're now on YouTube, Mr. Blue. That's where we are right now. Our main show is on YouTube. And I tell you what, we do a lot of cash giveaways. And the other day, we were giving away a 1 Bitcoin, a BSV, $50. And a guy was on Twitch, like you, came into YouTube for the very first time, and he won the Bitcoin. It was incredible. So just in case, it's a lucky thing. All right, it's free to enter, free for all. You haven't got to do anything. We just give money away all the time. Here is my YouTube link. There it is. It's in the chat for you. And some of my members, Shin Gartelman and Mike, they are our members and moderators over on YouTube, and they'll tell you all about it in the chat. But there you go. I've given you the link now. If you want to come to YouTube, we do cash giveaways all the time. I'm just saying, the other day it was pretty weird. This guy came over from TikTok, from Twitch, and he won straight away. Oh wow, everybody, we've got a record number on TikTok. I wasn't paying any attention. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we've got 229 people on TikTok, and I have no idea why. So let me just address my TikTok audience. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Wonderful to have you here. I'm live on YouTube right now. This is my YouTube broadcast, which is youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The link's in the profile. Now, we are joined every day by angel investors, star traders, and people that are here to support you. Now, on TikTok, I have a lot of people that pretend to be me. All right? We're like Mr. Beast, but we're better because I give away my actual money. Right? And I don't give away somebody else's money. I give away my money. So if you'd like to win some free money, anybody want to win free money? We do it all the time. If you're a real person and you need support and you want to be involved in a community, it doesn't cost you anything. I want nothing from you. I do not want your WhatsApp. I do not want to sell you Bitcoin. I do not want to get your Telegram. I want nothing from you whatsoever. But I love to help people, all right? We love doing it. We are the Secret Millionaire Surprise Channel. You've found us. So click follow right now. And it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Now, why am I asking you to come off TikTok? It's because I can't share the link. I can't share my link for you to be in the prize draw. All right, I can't do it. And also, you're only getting me on a phone. This is my YouTube broadcast, much, much better. That's where I am trading right now. That's where we're investing right now. So if you come into youtube.com/thedaytrader1, you can be part of our cash prize draw. The link's in the profile here, or just type that in. Very, very easy. And be very, very wary of the people on TikTok who pretend to be me. They're not me, and they're trying to scam people. They are never live. I'm always live, 4 hours a day. I don't want your WhatsApp. I don't want your Telegram. I don't want to sell you anything. I want to give you stuff. It's just what I do. Okay, and so you can always tell. And the other way you can tell is I have 17,000 followers. They have none. So be very, very wary of everybody else. My name is Martyn Lucas, and it's spelt correctly. It's spelt correct. So if it's not spelt correctly, or a dot in the middle of it, or a line in the middle of it, it's someone pretending to be me trying to sell you stuff. What we do here is help people. We've raised over $1 million for my members and fundraiser groups that I did before I started The Day Trader. So we're here for you. So it's youtube.com/TheDayTrader1. When you come over to YouTube, let me know you're from TikTok, and I will tell you all about our cash giveaways, and we'll have a lot of fun with you. All right? Okay, I'm going to go back to YouTube. Okay, cool stuff. What a big audience this morning we had over there. All right. Hamish, I sold my entire portfolio at a profit almost a year ago, and I'm slowly planning on buying back in. Very, very wise in hindsight. If I'd known that we were going to have months and months of decline, I probably would have done the same thing, but I didn't know that. So I just kept holding and buying the dips and adding to it. So not a bad thing. Trying to figure out which strategy I want to use. That's very good. By strategy, I mean which level of risk comfortable. I get it. You're making absolute sense to me. Makes perfect sense what you're doing. Well, if you believe market profit, we've got another downturn in a couple of weeks. So maybe you want, if you're not in right now, what I would be doing, because we are so low, if I wasn't in now, I'd buy the same stocks that I have now, but I wouldn't go all in. If I had $10,000 to invest, I'd probably invest $5,000. Because we are at really good lows right now, but we may get a bit lower, and then I'd add to my positions. That way I was already in and make some profits now. If we do, if this is the bottom, we are in recession, it's, and that first time to go up is when you know you're in a recession. But if we do go lower in the next few weeks, you've got $5,000 on hand to buy the dips and go further. That's probably what I would do, and I'd slowly keep adding to my position. Paul, if I could start again, I would just trade Tesla and invest in a global ETF. Paul, that's why I'm totally with you on that one. This is my portfolio up today. As you can see, that's why my biggest position is VU, ETF, you can't go wrong, and Tesla for the growth. Really, that's all you need. Really, because you've got your growth stock, the best company in the world here, which will be worth more than any other company in the world in 3 years. I'm absolutely 100% certain. If you want some extra risk, okay, Virgin Galactic as well. That's one of my second biggest position. And then the rest in VU. It's boring, but it's safe. You're going to make money on that. You've got the best stocks. You've got growth. You've got stability. You've got history to back it up. You've got a decent dividend. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong, really. It's been proven. Martin, Mr. Blue is me. Oh, Mr. Blue is me. After all that, Mr. Blue is me. I love it. I went through all that and I've come back and just found out Mr. Blue was me. All right, well, that still counts. D. Sickles. Ah, there we go. Dexter Sickles, I'm here. How come it only shows we got 2 viewers then? We had 4 a minute ago. So, we've got 32 followers now. Get in. Please do not abandon YouTube for Twitch, though. Don't do that. That would be a bad idea. But if you can open a second tab, keep me up to 3 average viewers, and get me to 50 followers, that's really all I need. All right? We make the money. The experience is better. YouTube. Twitter, Twitch, and TikTok are great ways to grow our channel. All right? Great ways to grow our channel. Dexter Sickles, thank you very much for the follows. 32 follows now. Click the follow button. We've got 32, just 18 to go. Right, back to the messages. I think at the moment, my plan is probably to buy low-cost, high-risk stocks. Yeah, so that would be Virgin Galactic. That would be Tesla. As I don't currently have a high enough capital to really make dividend a slow growth stock worth it. No, I get that. You're thinking the same way as me. Once my portfolio grows, if it does, of course, then I would start to diversify and get back into dividends. That's exactly what I'm doing. That's the perfect plan, I think. Paul, ladies, he says, I'm here, Dr. Sickles, Dexter Sickles, sorry. Hamish, I'm only a small holding of Space and Walmart, trying to find which other stocks to buy into. And yes, I still hold some cash back to keep dollar averaging. Perfect. Spot on. Dexter, I'm here too. Anyone in the UK, US, you spread betting for shorting? I don't know anything about it. He's talking to our UK audience. Well, let me show you what I have, or my full portfolio. So subscribe and ring the bell if you're here. Let me check. We've got 10 minutes ago before the bell goes. Right, we got 22 watching, 16 likes. Not bad. I'm going to put 1 minute on the clock. I want 20 likes. You ready? Here's 1 minute on the clock. Let's do it. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Here comes Mr. Mini-Me. Let's get the likes up. There we go. Let's get 20 likes. All right, here we go. Chiggy, 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 bap, bap. Will the real Satoshi please stand up? Please stand up. Say, please stand up. With the real Satoshi, please stand up. Nakamoto. With the real Satoshi, please stand up. Say, please stand up. Hey, please stand up. With the real Satoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. Isn't that Bart Simpson? No, not Bart Simpson. Who's the other guy? With the real Satoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. I don't know what that is now. You know what? You know I'm supposed to be, right? Right, look at that. 22 likes. That was what I'm talking about. Now, that is what I'm talking about. Everybody watching, everybody liking, everybody engaged, everybody making money, everybody getting involved. I love it. All right. You may have noticed Martyn Lucas is feeling better today. Yes, took a few tablets, and which I don't like doing. But my wife, being American, has got plenty of tablets in the cupboard. You know how it goes. In England, we just go up, we just grow old and die. In America, they've got tablets for everything. And she said, you need a bit of this. So I had a bit of this. And look, like magic, I feel better today. I feel a lot better today. Thank you very much indeed. TikTok, how are we doing? Thanks for the follow. Look at all the follows today. Come on, come to YouTube. You're missing out all the fun. We got a cash giveaway coming up as well. Oh, yes. What we're going to give away this week? Oh, what we're going to give away this week? All right, okay, so let's have a look. The portfolio is up at the moment, 0.24. We've got 22 watch. This is great. This is wonderful. We're off to a good start. Let me open up. We've got 195 followers now on Discord. If you're a Discord fan, make sure that you are there. If you are a member of the Day Trader, of course, here on YouTube, you get exclusive content over on Discord. But if you're just a regular guest, make sure that you are still part of Discord. You can still see about 7 channels. You just can't see all the channels. Here's Discord. Now, exciting news, folks. We're coming up to our 1-year anniversary. June 27th. It's our first anniversary. We'll be 1 year old. And we are on 195 on Discord. 5 more and we hit the first milestone when you can start turning on extra features. So if anyone knows anyone that would like to be part of our server, we have just 5 more to go for 500. There's 200, 500, and 1,000. 1,000 you get everything, right? You are fully discoverable, you're searchable, you're like a YouTube channel, right? But you need 1,000. 200, you get certain features. 500, it gets better. 1,000, it's perfect. So that's what we're trying to do. If you're not on Discord yet, get yourself on Discord, and you can get all the breaking news, and it supports the show lovely. You sound like a sober version of Barney. Yes, sir. A sober version of Barney. Who the bloody hell's Barney? Paul B's just come into the show today. I don't know who he's talking about, but oh yes, we've got a brand new testimonial. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, we've got a celebrity on the show now. Anyway, before I release the beast, here is Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Yeah, that's Paul B. See, told you, a lot of fun. Right, okay, let's do it. Let's have a look. The S&P 500 is up 0.4. Virgin Galactic is flat right now. Tesla, we're waiting for a dip to buy in again. And let's get a bit of a bounce today. Rivian. Now, when we talk about dips, there's dips because there's two types of dips. And very, very important for day trading, because I'm starting to do more day trading now. I've done a little bit this morning. I made $85 last night. I've made about $50 this morning, just before I went on air. And my target is $200 a day. When you talk about buying the dips, there's two things to think about there. Because the markets are going down and everyone's selling out and things are overall getting less and less and less. And those sort of dips, it's not what I'm really talking about. Buying those sort of dips, the dips become the dips become the dip. You get the point, right? It just keeps on going down. We're in a bear market. Everything's selling. So you might as well just wait like a month and then buy the real dip, right? That's not the sort of dip I'm talking about. I'm talking about the trading dips. I'm talking about people who literally influence the stock, pump it up to drop it off, to buy it back in, to sell it out. Day trading, that's what I'm talking about. That's a different sort of dip. Homer Simpson, that's what I meant to be. Yeah. Now I forgot how to do it. How did I do it a minute ago? No.
No, what, Mr. That's it. No.
No, can't. Trying to get it back, but without hearing it, I can't even find it. Anyway, forget this. This is not the Homer Simpson flipping tribute show. Anyway, getting back to what I was trying to say. What I wanted to say was, and now I've completely forgotten, is the day trading dips, when the market's influenced by the market makers, people pump it up so they can get people to buy it, so they can sell it, so they can rebuy it back, that sort of dip. So what we're looking at now, as the markets in a few weeks' time, according to Market Profit, because we are at some point reaching the bottom, the markets are already starting to turn bullish. Maybe we're not there yet, but right, you will get days when the market will be bullish, great. Always going to go up overall, right? We've hit the bottoms, really great. Okay, we have a period of bullish. But you get the dips in the morning. You get the dips, and most day traders come in and out of the market in the first 15 minutes, and they're done. They walk away. And that's what we're looking for. And what I like to do is I will use money to invest in dips, not the dips, the dips that have been going down for 3 months. We've been doing that, but that's a separate thing. The dips on the day. Now, what I like to do is either buy something that Peru has given me a top tip on Muzanella from some really good stuff that's about to explode, something new and breaking, like we had Mullen yesterday and all this kind of stuff, or something I don't mind owning. Right now, you might go, but I've got Tesla at an average of 711. I don't want to buy any more because I'll up my average. No one likes upping their average, but you have to. Unless you buy at the beginning and never buy again, you are always going to up your average. We all want to lower our averages, but the reality is, in 2 years' time, people will be buying Tesla for $2,000. That's going to happen. And you might go, I don't want to pay $2,000. Well, the only way you can avoid that is buy it now, right? But if you don't buy it now, in 2 years' time, you might want to buy it at $2,000 because it's going to go to $4,000 or whatever it might be. So if you don't mind owning a stock, or perhaps it has a dividend, so you got that. So with Tesla, right now, I'm up. I don't want to buy. I don't need any more. It's 24% of my portfolio. If anything, I want to trim off, to be honest. But if I want to lower my portfolio diversity, I don't have to sell. What I can do is put money somewhere else, bring money in somewhere else. So that will lower my diversity. By adding more money, the overall portfolio balance will decline. I don't have to sell it to reduce it. I can just add more money as I earn more money on YouTube, because this is my main income, right? And bring money into Tesla that way. Into other stocks that way, and lower my position on Tesla that way. But Tesla's great, right? And right now, it's down 0.3. That's not a dip, right? If all of a sudden there's no change of fundamentals, Elon Musk hasn't jumped off a cliff and set fire to the factory. Everything is great. Everything is normal. But all of a sudden, we get a bit of selling pressure. We get Cathy Wood sell what did she just do? 42 billion or whatever it is, some crazy number. And because Tesla is now one of the most invested stocks there is. I don't know if you know that. Through the last month, during May, more money is going into Tesla than anything else, right? So if the stock suddenly someone dumps some stock, which they could do if it makes a certain number, if they've set a sell all at 800 and it just drops, then you'll see a dramatic drop. That's when you get in, because that is a trading dip as opposed to a selling off dip. And then that's an opportunity to buy it back in, and the very person who sold it will probably buy it back in again as well. That's how they do it. So I'm looking for those opportunities, and if for some reason it doesn't go back up again quick enough or drops a bit more, I don't mind owning Tesla. I'm like, okay, I've got 13 shares of Tesla. So that's how I'm trading. Anyway, Paul B says, with the incoming dip potential of BNB hitting $50 a coin, currently sits around 320. That's the size of the dip that it could be. I mean, wow. Yeah, well, if it happens, Paul B, with the incoming dip potential of BNB hitting $50 a coin, currently sits around 320. That's the size of the dip that it could be. I mean, wow. There you go. You ready for that one? Is that something that interests you? Deep in the Money says, I'm in a bit of a pickle. Do you think Tesla will have a green day, Martin? Honestly, I don't know. I'm more interested in, will Tesla have a green future? Will Tesla be $2,000 in the future? Yes. So it doesn't matter. We're all squabbling and fighting over whether it's up or down today. It's irrelevant. Tesla is cheap, whichever way you look at it. I know Market Profit will say, no, it's only worth $200. I don't agree with that. And I read an analysis report yesterday that actually puts Tesla worth $1,200 again. People are buying back in with Tesla now. It's I think if I didn't own Tesla now, I'd be buying it without a doubt. I've got 12 shares at 7-Eleven. So you won't beat the market by following the herd. There you go. I don't even try to beat the market. That's the first thing. I'm not that greedy, Nicholas. I don't try to, because I know I'm not that smart. I'm not smarter than everybody else. I don't have my finger on the pulse. I don't work at the stock market, at the stock exchange. So I don't try to beat the market, but I never follow the herd. You all know that, right? I always beat my own path. Anyway, let's see how many people are watching on the hour. 23 watching, 23 likes. Perfect. Let's go over to Twitch and see. We got 3 viewers there, which is what we need. Our average of 3. Thank you, guys. 32 followers now. If you've not yet followed me on Twitch, please do. I need 50. Here is my Discord. If we've got members yet haven't yet joined Discord. I'm hoping for Space and Walmart to be red today so I can buy more before it starts going up again. Plenty of room for growth. See, Hamish, the way I look at this, right, you've nailed it right on the head, right? Virgin Galactic, in my assessment, in my belief, will be $100. When they start flying with those sellout tickets, which they've got, they will be $100. That's coming at the end of the year, maybe now early part of next year. I'm not worried. I know that's going to happen. So look at this. The very lowest it's going to go is 590, 595, 6. The highest it's going to go in the next year is 100. The upside is far greater than the downside. So does it matter? Does it matter? I mean, you're absolutely right. Wait for a better price. Why not? But I don't trade like that. I look at that and think, I'm not looking at the price. I'm looking at the value. I'm looking at the value of Virgin Galactic. And I told you before, I know Richard Branson. I live down the road from the spaceport in the UK. And I know it's Virgin Orbit, not SPCE, but it's all going to be related. And I know his success. I followed him all my life. I'm absolutely confident this will be great. And too many people, like Tesla, are focused on the space flights, and they go, "Oh, it's not the Kármán line. It's not in space." Da, 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 da. What it is with Virgin Galactic is not any of that. If you're investing in that, you miss the point. Just like Tesla with the cars. What you're investing in is a community of people that want to fly and be astronauts for a reasonable price, and it is for them, and be part of an exclusive club. Be part of an exclusive club. And Virgin Galactic isn't just going to be flying from New Mexico. They are building spaceports around the world, so it will be, "Oh, hello, mate. Oh, I saw you last week. You were flying in New Mexico. Next week, I'm off to Switzerland. We're flying from Switzerland. Do you want to come and join us?" Yeah. Brilliant. And that's what you're going to get. Once those rockets start getting built, sending them around the world is easy. Just fly them and land them in the new spaceport, and now you're flying from here. And people want that, because when they go up, you'll look at different parts of the world. So you'll go up, and right now I guess you'll be looking down at America if you go up from New Mexico. So you'll be looking down at Europe, China, Japan, whatever. So there's a lot more to it, and people are really focused on the rocket thing and going, "Well, that's it." There's so much more to Virgin Galactic than that. So that's why I'm in it. And I'm not one of those guys, like there are, quite a few on YouTube. "Virgin Galactic is great. Have you got any shares in it?" "Yeah." "Show me on the screen." "I can't do that." "Can't show you on the screen my shares." "Well, why not?" "Well, I can't." "Well, why not? You're on YouTube and you're being honest and you're telling everyone to buy. You're telling everyone to buy SPCE. Why can't you show?" "Well, it's private." Why is it private? It's just a number on a screen. It just shows you're honest." "Well, can't show you that. Security reasons." "What security reasons?" I mean, it just says you got shares in Virgin. What? Yeah. So anyway, that's my real shares and that's my real money. 901. So, YouTubers, stick that in your pipe and smoke it. You know what I'm talking about. You message me every day. Alrighty. Let's get to just 25 minutes. I tell you what. Who's had that experience when you're feeling really, really poorly, like I was yesterday? It was like my chest was like, oh, man. And then the next day you feel great. Is it the greatest feeling in the world? Who finds out the greatest feeling in the world? This is what it's like to have a body that works. I'm not in pain. Everything's clicking and jazzing around. So suddenly the way you felt the day before, when you wasn't that, when you were all right before, it's all right, But now you feel really good. Anyway, deep in the money. Appreciates that. Right. Airlines in general have been terrible investments. I've always found that. You're right there, William Caron. They have a very hard time making money. Even the Concorde, which catered to rich people with high-speed flights, couldn't make it. Now, you're right there. When Virgin Galactic came out, the first thing I thought about, I thought about was Concorde. Absolutely. The first thing I thought about was Concorde. Totally. I know exactly what you're saying. Bristol in England is where they had some of the Concordes parked, or they did servicing or whatever. So I know what you mean. I've been to the airfield in Bristol. And the first thing I thought, yeah, you're right. That's a good point, that Concorde. But there's a difference between Concorde and Virgin Galactic. There's two differences which made me realise why I want to invest in Virgin Galactic and why I am in Virgin Galactic. The reason is, first of all, Concorde was unnecessary. Now you're going to go, hang on a minute, Virgin Galactic is unnecessary. No, it isn't. There's a difference. First of all, there are more millionaires now than there were then. By ratio, more people can afford that than could afford Concorde. Period. Fact. Number one. Number two, Concorde was just a faster way of getting from A to B of what we could already do. We could already get from here to here in 6 hours. We can now do it in 2 hours or whatever it was. All right. So it didn't solve a problem. So it was a rich boys club for 5 minutes and it got boring. Virgin Galactic is different because you go into space. That's a different thing altogether. There's currently not anyone else doing that. It's not like I'm flying from New York to London faster. I'm going into space. It's different. And we now live in a world where we all want to go to space. It's different. It's like being the first to fly. Suddenly everybody built an airline, right? It's different. Virgin Galactic is not just flying from A to B for rich people. It's going into space for rich people, and there are more of. Also, when they go into space, there's lots of flights booked for research. People are paying for research flights. There's all kinds of study being done. Whereas Concorde was just a passenger service from A to B. No research going on unless someone was sitting there with a chemistry set doing, I don't know, measuring copper sulfate and what it does when you shake it at 20,000 feet. I don't know. I'm just making a joke, right? So that's my thing. I think Virgin Galactic is very, very different than Concorde. That's why I thought that straight away. So great feeling when you recover, yeah. I like jazzing around. Dexter Sickles, I like jazzing around. There you go. Hamish, William Cron, I agree with you on principle. I won't be holding space forever. For me, it's more of an excitement, the new technology that will come when it first starts up. I will be holding it for a few years, but it's what I will be relying on. But it isn't. Now, yes, let me tell you right off the bat, 100%. I have said it's going to go to $100, and people are going to go, right, so I presume then you're not going to sell to $100. No. That is not the case at all. I made that mistake when it went to $70. I never sold anything. And I was out of pocket and I lost money and so on and so forth. These were the flights. These were the test flights. Test flight 1, test flight 2, right? No. This time, I will not have fear of missing out. When Virgin Galactic flies, which it will later this year into next year, it will. When it flies, and when the news come out, the stock will rally. It'll fly up and up and up and up and up. And it will probably go to $30, $35, $40. I will start selling some. Might sell it all. Because the fact I believe it'll go to 100 means it'll get to 30, 40, 50 on the way up to 100. So I will sell it. I'll make some money. And it will drop afterwards. And I'll buy it back in again. And I'll buy it with the profits. Now, if it goes back down to, say, 20, would I buy in? Yeah. If I've sold it at 50, because I've made the money, I've got my capital back out again, the money I put in, plus a profit, plus free shares. It doesn't matter if I buy it back at 20. And then I'll do it again. That's the way I see it. Because then you will know. If it does go up to $50 when they fly, you think, well, it'll do it again, right? And if it doesn't do it again, you've already made your profit. You've already taken your money out. Not an issue. But to say, are you going to hold it to $50, to 100? No. Because I'm here to make money. I'm not here to join a fan club. Even though I love Richard Branson and I love Virgin Galactic. And hey, who knows? Could Virgin Galactic be $1,000 a share in 50 years' time? I don't know. I won't even be alive. I don't care. I'll be dead. Right? I'm not bothered. You know, I'll just sell some and make some money. As long as I'm growing my portfolio, I'm not trying to compete with anyone other than the day trader of the day. I've got to win the day trader of the day. That day I'll win it. But that's really all I care about. I'm not trying to beat anyone. All I want to do is get to $200,000 and then move to dividend stocks and earn 10% a year. 20 grand a year on dividends, reinvest at the beginning, and then start taking the money from there. That's what I want to do. And then when I get to site 75, 80, I'll sell the whole lot and I'm done. That's it. I've got no one to leave it to, just me and Leah. No one's investing my money. I'm not trying to become the richest man in the grave. Don't care. Anyway, Hamish, my plan is to sell the value of my initial investment at a certain price so that at least I can't lose any money, and then sell and slowly start selling it off as... There you go. Hamish, exactly the same. Exactly the same. And then if it all goes to $100, oh no, I don't have any fear of missing out. I used to have loads of bloody FOMO. I try to knock that on the head now. Right, let's have a look at a couple of stocks right now that aren't showing up. BitNile, I came in and out of this stock this morning. There we go. Right thing to do. And Mullen. Now, BitNile will follow. I was talking to Peru about this. BitNile will follow Mullen. If Mullen pops up with Bitcoin, BTC that is, then BitNile will go up because they've made an investment. And now both of those, this is where they were up yesterday. This is just where this is not. This is not, I know it says pre-market, but actually this is more after hours. This is where we left off last night. Now yesterday, Mullen was going up and up and up. It's not. It's just going sideways and starting to turn down. So no reason for me, really, to be in BitNile right now. It's my birthday today! All right. So hold back the happy birthdays. Everyone I could see was about to get excited. Hold back. When we get the full crowd in, we will do a big thing for you. Are you a member still? Yes, let me check. Your badge is on the screen. Right. Okay. So I hope you got all your friends here because Paul, when we get the crowd in probably like 20 minutes, half an hour, I want to make sure you'll be here. Will you be here in about 20 minutes, half an hour? Will you be here? And if you will be, tell me. And we'll do a big happy birthday for you. All right? You watch. It's going to be great. You're going to love it. We're going to blow up the channel. We're going to make you a video. I've got the balloons on standby. I'll be here. Great. Looking forward to it then. So that's coming up in half an hour or so. I always love when we have a birthday. It's always exciting. So, Paul, what I suggest you do is in about half an hour, we will do a happy birthday here. There'll be balloons and special effects all around the screen. I'll go to the piano, happy birthday. You will have the video. As a member, you get to keep the video and copyright as well. So you can put it on your YouTube channel if you wish to. You don't need copyright for, Facebook or Twitter or anything else. Or texting or emailing, but if you have a YouTube channel, you have copyright. I give it to you, okay, as a member, okay? So you can use it if you want to. Now, what I suggest you do, here is the video where we are right now. I'm sure you know anyway. Share this video, get all your family and friends in, because when we go live in half an hour for your birthday, what we'll do is we'll have all the names of everyone in the chat scrolling up as they wish you happy birthday, and you'll have your mum and your brother and your sister and your wife and your girlfriend or whatever it is in your life. They'll all be scrolling through, and it'll be a souvenir forever, which you can keep and share and send or whatever, and it'll live forever on YouTube. You have the link, and you can then clip it. If you don't want to go to the trouble of downloading it, you can clip it. So you go to the little pair of scissors under the video. Can you see the little clip button under the video? And you can go from here to here, just your birthday, and you can share that part of the video. So you don't even have to go to the trouble of downloading it or uploading it or anything. You can just share the clip to everyone, and they can all live and relive your birthday forever and ever and ever. All right, and as a member, you get that. All right. It's one of the perks. That depends if it's your own teeth or falsers. I'm as old as my gums and a little bit older than my teeth. I love it. That's a good one. I like that comment. I'm as old as my gums and a little bit older than my teeth. That's very funny. I'll give you that one. Right, up 0.42. Yep, looking good. Virgin Galactic is up today. Tesla. And Tesla being so volatile is a great way to make money. We've always said this. And the wonderful thing about Robinhood as well, you can fractional share. Buy $10 a Tesla, up 10%, you make $1, right? Very, very nice. Rivian, Lucid, they're all flying up this morning. Arrival, Amazon, Apple. I'm only 1.78, which is $70 away now from being in profit. But, and here's the big thing, they pay a decent dividend, and I've got 26 shares, so I'm very happy with the dividends I get from them. Doesn't make me rich, but it all adds up. How many people we got watching now? 27, 26 likes. Amazing. That's perfect. Let me check over on Facebook. See who we got there. I want to welcome our guests on Facebook. We've got just 10 minutes to go. And I also want to welcome my guests this morning on LinkedIn. Yeah, I have people on LinkedIn now. Can you believe it? I'm over on LinkedIn. People watching me there as well. Twitter. Let me check in on Facebook. Anybody on Facebook? Who's over on Facebook this morning? Good morning this morning. Six. I got reached 6 people. Hello, Facebookers. Come and join me on YouTube. It's better on YouTube. Mark Zuckerberg doesn't like me. He often mutes the video afterwards, so it's pretty pointless. Don't know why. Anyway, Apple moving up. Robinhood is up today, just falling back a little bit. 9 minutes to go. McDonald's is doing well, up 4% now. Only have one share. Boo! Coca-Cola up today. I'm still down 0.85. I've got 4 shares. Like to add to that when it goes down. Oh, Johnson & Johnson today down a little bit. Not much, not worth jumping in at that though. MasterCard. Another good time to buy in is earnings as well. Leading up to an earnings, it pops and then it sells off, and different times around earnings is good as well. Now, I apologise to somebody. We were supposed to do, was it Plug It? Or Plug, not Plug, Charge. Blink Charge. I think it was Blink Charge. It was last night and I forgot. One of you said, could you do Blink Charge? And I forgot. It was last night. There's more good news for Arrival today. They now have their van certified. Oh! Let's go to Arrival. Arrival's at 3.9. There we go. I've got plenty of shares in Arrival. Now, don't be tempted. Well, it's up to you. But don't be tempted. Think, oh, I need more shares. If you buy a company, an emerging company, think of it like Tesla. Think of it like Tesla. Once upon a time, I could have owned 164 shares of Tesla, like I own 164 shares of Arrival. When Tesla came out, I don't know how much it was. Somebody might remind me. What was Tesla when it first went public? Was it $10, $20? I don't know. But anyway, you could have bought a lot of shares of it. You can't buy a lot of shares now because it's $700 a share or whatever it is right now. But don't feel like, oh, I've only got 164 shares of Arrival. I'm not saying for a minute that Arrival is the new Tesla. Of course it isn't. But when the vans come out and the production line goes up, everyone's going to want to buy into this stock. We could have I think Peru set a price target of $40, $50, something like that. So 164 shares at an average of 165 is a lot. So you might go, I've only got $300 worth of, but that's like saying I've only got $300 of Bitcoin when it first came out. It doesn't matter. You don't have to keep going all in and using margin and borrowing money. And I mean, You don't have to. Of course, if you do, you make more money. I get it. I'm not saying don't make more money, but you get my point, right? You relax and go, I've got 164 shares of that. Yeah, I'm buying it for the entry price. I'm buying it, you know, before it takes off. And remember, it was up here. It was $31. What was the highest? All-time high. It doesn't say. It just says the 52-week high. But anyway, we can see it was $31 by the looks of things. So, you know, so you don't have to worry about it. But it's great. It's great to see it up. Anyway, thanks for sharing that good news today. So if you believe in the company, I think it's 184. It's still a good entry. There you go. Sergio says, if you believe in the company, I think 184 is still a good entry. There you go. Totally. Absolutely right. If you've not bought Arrival and you believe in it and you think it's all going to be great in next month, end of this month in July, they're supposed to open the microfactory. If that happens, and information comes out that's likely to happen, stock price is going to fly up. So, you know, and the other way to look at it is, you know, another way that I like to look at companies that solve problems going forward, better ideas, innovation. You know, we're all about EVs right now, right? They've got the contract with UPS. They've got a lot of big investors, BlackRock, a lot of good money behind them. Everything's looking pretty good. Their earnings was pretty good. Everything's looking good, you know, for the company. You know, earnings, you know, jumped up, you know, by a significant amount. Yeah, they live in Bicester too. Yeah, I know where Bicester is, near Oxford. Yeah, I've been there. So, you know, I think, you know that this technology, this idea, and right now you're buying it. It's like buying, you know, Tesla at the beginning. I know it's not Tesla, but, you know, it's like buying any of these great companies at the beginning. $300, 164 shares. What's the worst I could lose? $300. Well, what if this goes to $50, $100 a share in 5 years' time? You know, it could well do that. So, you know, and when you only pay $165 a share, even today at 183, you think, I'm just going to hold it forever. It's one of those sort of stocks, a bit unlike SPCE, where I want to sell it on the way up. I've paid $7 a share and I've invested some serious money. With Arrival, I'm going to keep it forever. You know, what if in 5 years it's, you know, $100? You know, what if it is? Could be, you know. Then, you know, remember, a company hasn't gone to the trouble of becoming a company just to, you know, not grow. It wants to grow, right? It wants to be like Tesla. It wants to be a big player. So they're working to do that. So for $300, why not? Anyway, 3 minutes to go. We've not run a commercial. Let's run a quick commercial. I keep forgetting my commercials. Did anyone see a commercial there? Insert ad. Did anyone see that? You did. You did see an ad. Okay. I was like thinking, did an ad even come up then? Stream setting, that was weird. Stream is healthy, stream excellent. There you go. You did. Property advert, good. Right, 2 minutes to go, I'm glad. I was thinking for a minute, there's no ad. Can't be having that. Right. A property advert. Rob always gets property adverts. He's obviously looking to buy a house. He's obviously rich. They're trying to sell him a really expensive... Is it a nice house or a cheap house? Are they trying to sell you a beaten down barn or a nice mansion? That would determine how rich you are. No ad for me. I've barred you from showing me ads. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, if you're on a mobile, if you're on an iPad or a phone, you won't see it anyway. You'll see it in the repeats. You won't see it in the live shows. Right, here we go. We're coming up to the time now. I need to take the timer off the board because we're like 30 seconds out. So here we go. Under a minute to go. Where do you want to go? Tesla presenting an opportunity. Here we go. Seconds to go. Jiggy, jiggy, jiggy. Gotta stop doing that. Tesla. Oh, nice little drop this morning. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock and roll. There we go. We're off and running. There was a little dip there. You saw that for Tesla. It's popped back up again. Oh! I've just noticed my Invesco Wilderhill has just popped up 0.5%. Nice. That's looking good. The one I wanted to sell, do you remember? I just told you about it. Up 0.46. I'm looking at it very closely. Vanguard S&P is up. Oh, we're pumping. We're having a bit of a pump here this morning. Vanguard 0.6. Virgin Galactic. Oh, we're getting a heck of a pump. This is good. 1.28. Hello, get in. Tesla. There's your opportunity this morning. Make money right there. Rivian. Lucid. Do you trade metals? Do I trade metals? I don't think I've got any stocks in metal right now. But Lester Thomas. Let's welcome Lester Thomas in. We've just started trading this morning. Welcome to you. Welcome to the Day Trader Studio. Here in the Day Trader Studio and around the world. It's good to have you here. My name is Martyn Lucas. How are you? Welcome to my TV studio, and do live music in here. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, and we're here in Texas, even though I'm from England. Looking good this morning, looking good. Arrival, we've got good news today for Arrival. Amazon is about to make me profit. 2.35% to go. Oversold. Everyone's accepted it now. So glad to hear that. People have finally agreed with the day trader. They tuned in and thought, Martyn Lucas is right, you know. Amazon. Why have we oversold Amazon? Morning, family. Here he is. Here he is. Market Profit. Nuclear Bomb Boy. How are you, Nuclear Bomb? Here he is. Morning Profit. Market Profit. Morning Profit. Why did I say morning? Because you ripped morning down, that's why. Right. Loads of opportunity this morning, looking nice. We're up 1.1, 36,000. The Vanguard S&P is doing well. Virgin Galactic is doing well, 1.96. Very nice. Look at Mullen. Right, did Mullen pop? Mullen. Okay, let me have a little look then. So, Mullen is up 10% today. Okay, so what we could do here is okay, right. Set a stop loss. Okay, we're getting opportunity here to make money. Yes. Yes. Wow. Right, set your stop loss. Sell. A trailing stop order percentage. We are up now, so we can set a stop trading loss percentage of 3%. Shares 1,000. Sell percentage 3%, 1.55. Is it going to run? Watch it. Sell 3%, 1,000, 154. It's wanting. Is it wanting to go? Okay. Okay, sell Mullen percentage 3%, 1,000 shares. Yeah, review that order and we'll trail that up. There you go. I'll set a 3%. Okay, done. Now, if that's happening, let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin going up as well. Bitcoin is up. So if we go back now to... Looks like Mullen just sold. It got for a wash. Let's look at BitNile. Right, now BitNile's invested in Mullen and... BitNile is invested in Mullen and Bitcoin, but it's going down at the moment. So it's a bit early to tell which direction this is going to go. We need to have the two open together. So let's have Mullen open together. So we've got BitNile, it's still going down. Mullen is going. We've got Fusion 301. I sold Mullen after gaining 48% yesterday. Fantastic. They took everyone in, even the bears. There we go. Market profit is explaining it here. That I sold Mullen yesterday after gaining 48%. That's from Queen Yourself Braiding. Current plans for my crypto investing is staking CRO, VVS, 2 of the projects I'm invested in. That's what Paul B's doing. Top tip there from him. Please share that on Discord. I've got a crypto ad. There you go. MP, market profit, you're correct. These rallies can be as much as 50%. The interesting thing is that liquidity is just starting to come out now, and interest rates are starting to rise. A lot more pain coming. That's from William Caron. So Mullen, Bitnar is going down, so that's why I set that stop loss and jumped straight back out again. The three things you want to be looking at is Bitcoin BTC, because that's what Bitnar invest in. Bitnar is just, it's up, but doesn't know which way to go yet. Mullen. I set my stop loss, and I basically covered it as a wash. That's so if you buy into this stuff, you've got to make sure that you're prepared to pull the rug in really quickly. You don't want to lose money. Now it's running. It's showing sentiment. Let's have a look. We're 9 minutes in now, so it gets a little bit more stable. The first few seconds is the most difficult time to trade. S&P is doing Virgin Galactic is presenting an opportunity, 698. Tesla is flying up 1% now, 0.94. Rivian doing well. Lucid just edged back a bit, but coming up again. Arrival doing well. Good news today. Bitnar's going back down again. Mullen, there we go. That's why I came back out. Queen of Self-Braining timed it perfectly yesterday. She took a 48% profit. Awesome stuff. There you go. You can read between Mullen and Bitnar. So they're both coming down. That will come down now as Mullen comes down. That's why I set the stop loss. I got in. It was pumping. Never chase a stock. But with Mullen, it can go up 40, 50%. We've seen it over and over again. And it can drop just as quick. So if you buy in as it's moving, it's fine. But make sure you set the stop loss really quite short. 1%, 2%, 3%. Something really, really tight. I know it means you'll be out of it, but if it keeps on pumping, you can cancel it and then do another one with maybe a 5 or 10% stop loss. But you got to make sure you protect yourself. It's a safe game to play as long as you put the insurance on it, the brakes on it, the safety harness. Don't just fly it up and hope it's going to go, because this can go up as fast as it goes down. Exactly, William. Most retail investors don't follow monetary policies. That's why we have you here, Market Profit. The yin to the yang, the balance, making us all realize that be very wary. This could get a lot worse before it gets better. Things in the world are getting worse. There's no question about it. The war seems to be leaning towards Russia winning it right now. It was at one time. We all thought Ukraine were going to do it and Russia were going to, fizzle out, and someone was going to, sort Putin out. But right now, mind you, he has survived a couple of attempts apparently. But right now, though, it's World War III is looking more likely. If he gets Ukraine, will he go into Poland? That's the question. That's when everything changes. Anyway, for any meme coin fans, keep an eye on CROGE. Coin potential of it attacking Doge is a real and more financial staking site and having crows in their farms. DOYR. Thank you, Paul B. Meme coin fans. Top tips, please share it, Paul. You are a member here to the channel. Please share it over on Discord, in the crypto channel, or anywhere else that you feel is appropriate. BitNile, we're just keeping it open for now. No, we won't go to Poland. We won't go to Poland. Are you Russian? That'd be interesting. Total ignorance. Are you from Russia? No, he won't go to Poland. Or he won't go to Poland. Bit Nile. Mullen. So, you don't want to buy in now. I wouldn't buy in there now unless you think it's about to turn up. But you don't know. There's no evidence to show it at all. What? You're probably... You're Russian? Total ignorance. Where are you from? Are you from Russia, or are you just... Did you mean he won't go to Poland? Right, so Mullen and Bitnal I'd keep out of right now. It's starting to fall. We've had a pump. Doesn't mean it won't go up, but just be wary. The overall portfolio is up 0.7. Happy with that. Vanguard S&P. I'm probably Russian. Okay, fair enough then. Talk about being elusive. The secret agent from Russian, probably Russian. Virgin Galactic, back up again. Great opportunity there this morning to buy that dip. Very volatile Virgin Galactic is right now. Great way to buy it if you want to take advantage of these swings. Scalp trading, perfect. Tesla up, Rivian up, Lucid up. Arrival up. Amazon, very close now, just $59. Keep Open Technologies is up. Open. Let's open it up. Excuse the pun. All right. Open. Oh, yes, up 5%. Have I got any position in that? Yeah, I'm up 14%. Oh, I've only got 6 shares. 6 shares, that's all. Open door. I'm up 15%. That's pumping a little bit this morning. I've only got 6 shares of it. Hardly anything at all. But thank you for sharing that with us. Queen. Keeping an eye on Bitnar's coming back up again. Mullen is still going down. Vanguard S&P. My overall portfolio is moving up nicely now. I'm up over 1%. Looking pretty good this morning. Tesla. Let's go to the other end of our scale right now. Look at our crypto. I've got hardly anything now in crypto. Ethereum, I've got, like $59. I'm up 3.5%. But I'm actually up on Bitcoin now. I haven't been up on Bitcoin for a long time. I know I've only got $130, but I'm up 7.88%. Bitcoin SV, I'm up 15%. Got 2 coins there. Enphase Energy, love this stuff. I'd love more of this. Open Door, up 15%. Oops. Yes, it is. I've been told Amazon stock split is coming up soon. Yes, it is. Next week. Next week. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Bearing in mind, the markets are always ahead. Do you not think it's already priced in? It's already priced in. But yes, it's good for the stock. Absolutely. Do you understand what a stock split means? Are you okay with that? If you'd like me to explain it, I will. But yeah, stock split's great for Amazon. And a stock split is coming for Tesla as well. So there are 2 stock splits. But Amazon is next week. Oh, by the way, June 7 or June 9, Facebook become Meta. Finally, after all this time, they're finally going to be Meta. Yeah, Amazon is doing really well now. Look at that. I'm down just $47 now. Apple, I'm just down $55. All these stocks. Right, Robinhood. Little opportunity there. McDonald's is down. Coke. Oh. Oh. There you go. Just bought Coke. Coke's on sale today. Coke's on sale today. Down 1.99. Always done well for me. Very, very nice. And my other one, you know, is Johnson & Johnson. Another favourite as well. There you go. Okay. Now then, we're up 0.88. So, Bitnal is now going up. Mullen. Now, Bitnal is going up. But Mullen is still there at 153. Let's look at Bitcoin, BTC. Is up 0.33. I don't know. What do you think? Who's investing in Bitcoin? Mullen this morning. It's very speculative. It is a gamble. You don't. It's not really investing unless you believe what they're going to do in the future. It's all trending on Reddit. It's all memes. It's all hype. But you might like it. I've made a lot of money with it, so I'm not going to complain. Let me see how many people are with us right now. We got 32 watching. Thank you very much indeed. If you just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Our target is $200 a day. That's what we try to do. Give ourselves an income and smash the like button. If you hit the like button, it really helps us grow on YouTube. We're quite a new channel. We've only been going just under a year. June 27th is our birthday. Right. We have got. Is this a good time? I'd say in another few minutes' time we're going to do we've got a celebration. We have a celebration in the show today. So that's coming up in a few minutes. We're just waiting for the perfect time to do it when the markets calm down just a tad. It's very volatile at the moment. S&P looking good. Virgin Galactic. Um, 697. I've just bought 100 at 697. Sell 100. Get ready. I've just bought 100 at 696, 697. The overall sentiment today is up at the moment. Mullen's going back. S&P is coming up. So the overall sentiment of the market is good. So we're looking to sell 100 shares of Virgin Galactic above $7. Tesla. Yeah. This is all looking very good. Lucid. Arrival. Yeah. I think Virgin Galactic should bounce back up again. There's no bad news. There's no reason. There's just horse trading going on. Yeah, we're just going sideways, really, overall. Yeah, we're just waiting for a bounce to come. Google's having a good week, yeah. Meta, up 8% now. SoFi doing well. Oh, just knocked back a bit. Nvidia up 20%. Microsoft. Google, yep. I'm 11% up now. Why have I only got... I hate the fact I only have $360 worth of Google. Ugh. Used to have so much of it. Anyway. Waiting to sell SPCE. At above 701. A quick trade. Debating taking profits on Google. Oh, it's oversold though. Difficult choice that. I like owning Google. I know it sounds silly, but I just do. I used to have 2 shares of Google at one point. It doesn't pay a dividend, obviously. It's just a growth stock, but it's vastly oversold at the moment. I mean, if you've got a handsome profit, why not? Don't be attached to it. TWLO also having a good week. Thank you for that. Come on. Trying to get a profit here from Virgin Galactic. Trying to sell 100 shares of it. Oh. It's going down even more. I didn't expect it to go down today. I expected this volatility, but I did not expect it to keep going down. The overall portfolio is strong today. And with the S&P up and everything else looking up, this should be good. Tesla, Rivian, we're getting a bit of a drop now. We should be turning around soon with Virgin Galactic. Is Market on Discord? No. He's able to have his own channel, and he's a member of the YouTube channel, so he's entitled to all the benefits, but he's not yet on Discord. Let me give him the invitation again. Oh, yes, he is. I beg your pardon. He is. He's the man from something. The man from I can't remember his name now. The man from Macron or something like that. Let me have a quick look. He sent me a message the other day. The man from Sask. There you go. Yes, yes, he is. It's hard to know, isn't it? Because people have different names. The man from Sask. Yes, he is. So there you go. There's your answer. I'm here. I just don't use Discord. Yeah, but he's the man from Sask. Waiting to make a profit on Virgin Galactic. Again, I don't mind owning it, but I don't. I want to trim off. Market, please DM me on Discord. There you go. We're holding up. We've got day trade of the day coming up in a second. We've got our celebration for a birthday in the house today. Very excited about that. Mullins moving back up again. The S&P, everything's looking good. I'm expecting to see Virgin Galactic to see it go back above $7 again. $6.94, $6.95. Come on. It's not letting me out right now. It's falling a bit lower. Everyone be careful here with Amazon. It's now up almost 25% in a week. This is highly unusual. It is extremely unusual, I agree, for Amazon. Amazon is not a stock like this. This is highly unusual. It has been extremely overbought. The most I've seen in a mega cap ever. Thank you for that market profit. That's very enlightening. Don't you feel, though, that it was oversold so much in the first place? But I agree with you. It's grown back very quickly. I'm still down on it, though. I'm still down on it by 1.61. I'm hoping to another $60 to be in profit with it. But it brings nothing else to the table. There's no dividends, nothing like that. But Arrival's coming up. Lucid's trying to push back up again. Rivian's trying to push back up again. Tesla's pushing back up again. You're out of Amazon. You're out of it. Virgin Galactic. Oh, come on. Here we go. That's what I was waiting for, the first turn up. I've got to sell 100 shares of Virgin Galactic when it reaches above 7. Looks like I had some resistance there. The US market just opened. The US market opened 3 o'clock. Opened 6 hours ago. The US market opened 6 hours ago, pre-market for some people, institutions and stuff like that. But no, the official, when the bell goes, is 8:30. 8:30 Central, which is 9:30 Eastern Time. You have the pre-markets, different level of pre-markets depending on who you have an account with. But the actual bell rang on the exchange at 33 minutes ago. So that's where we are right now. But from 3 in the morning, you can see action on the stocks. We're holding up. We're just trying to trade. I'm glad. See, I'm glad I got out a bit, Niall. And I'm glad I got out of Mullen. They're very unsure what they're doing today. Yeah. I mean, Amazon is next week. Amazon is next week. It's a week away. So, Apple is very close now to profit. You're out of Google. There's my Google position. Are you saying that... yeah, I'm up 10% on it. You saying we should sell our Google? What did market say about Google earlier? What did market say? Did he say something about it? What did anyone say something about Google? I'm just trying to see. It's Amazon. I'm looking at Google. You see how much it's sold off since December. See, I see ad revenue because Google's all about ad revenue, and when things improve, Google's going to be receiving all that ad revenue. Right now, it's slowing down. I'm up 10%. I could take my profit. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about Fusion 301, Amazon. I was thinking the same thing. I'm not so sure I want to sell my Google. I'd buy more. See, I'd like to buy more if we get this big downturn that we're expecting. Oh, hello. That's a big drop. Where's that come from? There we go. We got a big drop. That must be Virgin Galactic's going down. Tesla's had a big drop. There we go. Look at that. Everything all of a sudden sold off. Look at that. A very quick. Wow, that was a surprise. That caught everybody out, didn't it? Did anyone see that coming so quickly as that? Wow. Actually looks like a 70% if you go back to March, April. Yeah, I mean, that's exactly. I think Amazon's a great buy. I mean, ask yourself, I like to invest in companies that I actually like and I actually use and actually benefit. I use Amazon for absolutely everything. This entire studio is bought from Amazon. I love the service, love the product, love the customer service. Can't see could ever replace Amazon. It's just phenomenal. So I love it. A big drop there. Bitnar's coming up. Mullen's coming up. The S&P did sell off big time there. Virgin Galactic's let me down a little bit. I'm trying to get out of it this morning. I just bought 100 shares just to sell at 70 something. And it's continued to fall. Tesla's rebounding. Rivian. Lucid. Everything's taking a bit of a tumble. All of a sudden, Arrival. All the high-tech stocks doing the same thing. Amazon. Right, let's... should we do day trader of the day right now? Paul says he's out of TWLO and GTLB with profits. Thank you very much indeed to you. Thank you, Rob, over there on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. Let me check Facebook. We've got day trader of the day, and then we've got a celebration. We've got a celebration coming up now. I see we've got people over on Facebook watching me. Come and join us on YouTube and over there on LinkedIn. Hello to you. And Twitter. Hello to you. Over on Twitch now with 32 followers. Thank you very much. Okay. Are we starting to get a swing back? Looks like it. Yeah. There we go. Come on. I want to get out. I want to sell 100 shares at 70 something. For me, around 10 a.m. ETC, there's a lot of volatility. Normal, it's a drop in all my positions. For me, around 10 a.m. Eastern time. Oh, is that Eastern ETC? Is that Eastern time or is that Eastern European time? No, I think you mean Eastern ET time, don't you? I think you mean Eastern time, don't you? There's a lot of volatility. Normally, it's a drop in all my positions. Thanks for sharing that, Lester Thomas. Lovely to have you here. If you'd like to be part of the family and join us as a member, there are many perks, including the birthday celebration, which we're about to do. Here is the invitation to join. There we go. If anybody wants to be part of what's about to happen right now, Eastern time, my bad. Sorry, that's okay. You were confusing me then for a minute. Virgin Galactic. We're trying to sell it at 70 something. 70, what did we reach today? 708? 706. My birthday song, please. It's your birthday today as well, Leldavaza. It's actually Paul's birthday today. When is it your birthday, Leldavaza? So what we're going to do is I'm going to set a sell in case I'm doing my song at the time, because it's celebration time now. Mine was Monday. Oh, was it? All right, then we have 2 to do. You asked yesterday. How come we missed it then? How come we missed it? I would not have missed it. How did we miss it? What happened there? All right. Limit order. So, 706, 100 shares. 706. I forgive you. I didn't even see you. You can't forgive me for something I didn't even see, but I'll take it. All right. Okay, so it looks like today we have 2 birthdays, so I'm going to leave it. We're getting quite swings this morning, so I think it's time to step back from the markets a little bit for now. Let the craziness settle down, take control of what we want to do, not be influenced by what's going on because it's all over the flipping place. We're turning back up again, but we are very volatile today. People shaking the markets, trying to make some money. So I'm going to set a 706, 708. Okay. Okay. Sell space at 708. Do you know, I'm not even going to set an order. I'm going to let it settle. So, ladies and gentlemen, first of all then, it's birthday celebration time. If you are a member of the Day Trader, one of your perks is you get the privilege of having your birthday celebrated live in the show. So what we do, we go over to this screen here, and are you ready for it? We do happy birthday, and we celebrate. So what I want now is everybody, we'll do Lel Devaza first. Lel Devaza first, right? It was his birthday on Monday. Her birthday, sorry, on Monday. So we got to do that first. So I want you to go in the chat, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Happy birthday, Lel Devaza, like this. All right. And I want you to blow up. Okay. LELDEVAZA. There we go. You can copy and paste like this during the chat. And Lel Devaza, you can actually copy. You can set a, what do you call it? What's it called? A clip. And you can record this and save it and keep it as your own happy birthday video. You ready? Okay. I'm just going to bring up now your balloons. This is for you. You ready? Look at that. Look, you like that? Very nice, right? Which one should I use today? That one, I think. All right, that one. You ready? So I want all the chat to start spiraling up. Let's do happy birthday now then for Lel Devaza. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so are you ready now? I want everybody now to blow up the chat. I want the chat to roll through. Happy birthday, happy birthday. This is for Lel Devaza. And then straight afterwards, we're going to do another one for Paul. So let's get it rolling. Let's get it scrolling. We want to celebrate our birthday people today. And you can clip this video and keep it. This is your very, very own video. So let's do it. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Lel Devaza. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you. No, 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 no. Happy birthday, Lel Devaza. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lel Devaza. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday, Lel Devaza. That's your video. You can clip this video, share it, save it with all your friends. From all of us here at the Day Trader, happy birthday to you. There we go. That was Leldevaza. Fantastic. Thank you very much, everybody, for sharing on the screen. Okay, we now have Paul. It's Paul's birthday as well. So come on, everybody. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. What is wrong with you? Wakey, wakey, everybody. Happy birthday, Paul. And what you do is you copy and paste, like this, like this. Let's see it coming down the channel. There you go. That's what I want to see. There you go. You're all catching up now. So let's do it again. And this is for Paul this time. Don't forget, Paul, you can clip the video. Come on, roll it through, roll it through. Here we go. Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday to you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday to you. Come on now. Happy birthday to you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you. No, 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 no. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you, no, 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 no. Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday, Paul. There you go. That's your video. Same for you. You can clip the video before the beginning and the end. Share it on your social media. Happy birthday from all of us here at The Day Trader. Fantastic. Right, let's get back to the shares. Here we go. All right, we're going back over now to the trading screen and change a few lights. Okay, let's clear the birthday away until the next time. There we go. Starting to see a little bit of a bounce right now. That's good. All right. 1, 2. Hang on a minute. All right. Back in the house again. Okay. And that's how we do that. There we go. Always great to celebrate the birthdays. Thank you ever so much, everybody got involved. All the chats coming through. Let's have a look at where we are right now. 9:22. Have we done day trade of the day yet? BitNile is going down. Mullen actually did pump up in the end. The Vanguard S&P is down 0.5%, quite a drop today. Virgin Galactic is down 6.82. Tesla is also down. Rivian is pushing up. Thank you, Martin. You're very, very welcome. My absolute pleasure. Apologies to Leldevaza for not doing it on Monday. I don't know how I missed that. But there you go. You got it today. Make sure you clip the video. Do you know what I mean by clipping the video? If you look below a video, I'll share with you what I mean so you can see. Just below the video, you click on the video. That's what you're watching right now. This one here. And you will see there, just there, look, you see? there's a clip, and you can set the clip. Whoops, a daisy. You can set the clip to where you want the beginning and the end of the piece you want, and then you will have your very own video. You can share it and do what you like. That's yours to keep forever. And if you want to download it, you can also do that as well, and you have copyright. As a member, I'll accept that as a copyright, so that's all good. Okay. Day trader of the day. Yeah, not looking good today. I am down. I'm down 0.9%. Down 0.9%. Post it on there. Let's give you a minute on the clock. Let's see who is up or down today. I'll put my score on the door. You ready? Okay, I'll give you a 1 minute right now. Let's go. .9. In fact, I think I'm improving slightly. No, I'm not. I'm actually getting worse. It's 0.1. What's letting me down now is SPCE. It's not letting me back out at 701. Didn't expect it to keep going down. Test has come back up again now. Leldavaza is 0.5 up. Bad day. 0.5 up. Better than me. Okay, have we got any more scores? We're very quiet today in the chat. Not much engagement going on. Not much engagement. I think people are watching, but they're doing other things today. A little bit quiet in the chat. I think a lot of people are behind. I think you've not pressed the red button. You need to press the red button and make sure you're live. I think some people are actually behind the show today. But the winner is Leldavaza, who's up 0.5 today. So far, you're the winner. So thank you for your honest trade. Give you a thumbs up. And here we go. There you go. Congratulations, Leldavaza. It's only 0.5, but hey, not bad at all. At least you're up today. 0.4. There we go. Paul's coming through now. So yeah, it's still Leldavaza who would have won. But it looks like everyone's behind. No one's refreshed their screens today. I think that's what's going on right now. And well done, Lel. There you go. Great stuff. Okay, we're going to wrap up the show in a minute. Take a short break. It's not a good day today. We're just losing money left, right, and centre. So everything's going down at the moment. Uh, 35. Let's have a look. Market order, sell 100 shares. What are 100 shares worth right now? What I pay? 697. Sell 100. I'm just thinking as we are dropping, I take a loss of $20 on that one because we are seeming to getting quite a sell-off day today, and we are rumoured to have a few issues around the corner. So I am actually going to sell those 100, take a $20 loss. That's what I'm thinking of doing. Because I don't know how far this is going to go down. On a day like this, it could keep going down. Just giving it some thought. What does everybody think? And sometimes you've just got to walk away and accept you're down and what does everybody think? Accept we're down a day and it looks like a red day. It looks like a day everything's going down. Tesla's trying to come back up again. Rivian's coming back up again. It's green today. Lucid is trying to push up, but it's a weak market today. Let's look at the volume on SPC today. See what the volume is. The volume today is 1.81. The average is 9. So we're nearly 2 million. So I guess it's only a loss when you sell. That's right. It's only a loss when you sell. But if you think it's going to keep going down, it's sometimes better to walk away, right? We are on average volume today. Nothing great, nothing spectacular. 9:30. We're coming up now. There you go. Virgin Galactic is trying to push back up. Everything is trying to push back up. Tesla's trying to come back up again. Lucid. Everything is buying back in again. Even crypto. Look, everything's the same. Everything's the same. Ginkgo, Tilray, Canoe. Everything is trying to head back up again on. It's funny how the whole market sort of reacts the same. PayPal. Down 0.32. I think you're behind me, Rocket. I think a lot of people are behind me this morning for some reason. SoFi is up. I'm up, but it's going down. Meta, I'm up 6% now in Meta, but we're going down now. Nvidia. Microsoft. Google, MasterCard, Johnson & Johnson, yep, we are selling off this morning, no doubt about it. I don't see any major turn-ups yet. Amazon is dropping again quickly. Arrival's coming up again. Lucid, no, it's turning back down again. Tesla. Yeah, Virgin Galactic is still going down. I wanted a quick trade with Virgin Galactic, and it's not behaving like it has the last couple of weeks. So we, the last week we've started to see, a bearish market with bullish tendencies. People sort of a bit of a rally. But today, see this, we're like very positive here. All this was good trading territory. It's all going sideways, up and down, up and down. But today it's just gone down and stayed down. And that's no good. I can't get out of that. So what I could do is sell that at a loss, take take a $20 loss and leave it. Breaking news here from Benziga, why this Tesla analyst thinks the worst may be behind for the EV pioneer, for Tesla. Let me have a look. It's interesting news. Let me share it with you. Let me turn around my camera. Okay. There we go. Why this Tesla analyst thinks the worst may be behind for the EV pioneer. Let's have a look. Tesla stock received a string of price target cuts from sell-side analysts who blamed their tempered expectations on the slow ramp-up of production of the Giga Shanghai plant. There now appears to be a break in the negative sentiment engulfing the stock. Tesla's stock could rocket higher in 22 as the bear case scenario fades. Mizuho Securities analyst Vijay Rakesh said in a note on Tuesday, according to Tesmanian. Rakesh was commenting after Tesla hosted him at the Fremont, California factory. The analyst said Tesla faces near-term headwinds at Giga Shanghai, which makes up about 40 to 50% of its total capacity, has yet to produce at pre-lockdown rates. This, however, sets Tesla up for a strong second-half rebound, he added. Indeed, could well be the case. April deliveries may have been at 40,000 units, down 22% from January's 51% units. Rakesh noted this, according to the analyst, could lead to a sequential revenue decline in the June quarter, but then the last quarter should be up. That said, we believe a potential stronger September-December rebound is possible with improved slight supply chains and Berlin ramping, Rakesh said. There we go. That's what I think is going to happen too. So I think I share that sentiment. All right. We are losing at the minute, though. It's a sell-off market today. Sell 100 shares. I'm just looking at taking a couple of losses here just to stop us bleeding. We are bleeding again today. Virgin Galactic is down 4%. Tesla is also down 2.5%. I think it's a good time to take a break of a reset. We'll have a little reset. So we'll take a short break now. Let me just bring this up and we'll have a recap. Okay, we'll go to the end screen. We're going to finish the show right there. We're going to come back this afternoon with the closing bell. Thank you very much for our Lelda Vaza and Paul. Happy birthday to you both. That was great to be able to celebrate that with you. Bit of a down day today. Bit of a day selling off, but difficult day. But just be calm. We could be getting another a down leg coming up in the next week or so. Market Profit believes that's the case. So because of that, we're probably building that into the prices dropping now. This could be the beginning of it. So it's probably not the right time overall to be getting out. It's starting to buy in, but we could have a few more downturns. You know, when the markets are going down is a time to get in, not to get out. So anyway, I'll see you all this evening. Thank you, Lelda Vaza. See you this evening as well. And take care of yourselves and each other.